In the proximity sensor world, where outside hazards such as target impacts and abrasion are commonplace, high sensor mortality rates are frequently the rule rather than the exception. Pepperl & Fuchs recently conducted an abrasion withstandability test, pitting the 100% stainless steel pile driver against two traditional plastic-based models, one with a nickel-plated brass barrel and the other with a stainless barrel. The results were dramatic. A custom rotary test fixture was created to simulate everyday sensor abuse. A series of 4 stainless steel brushes repeatedly scoured the sensor faces for 87 consecutive hours. It didn't take long for the plastic face sensors to show visible signs of wear. Only 1 hour into testing, the nickel-plated brass housing exhibited noticeable deterioration, while the standard stainless housing version had lost 30% of its protective plastic cover. After 2 hours, the physical degradation of both plastic face models had dramatically progressed. Meanwhile, the metal face pile driver was virtually unscratched. After 1,400 passes, or 4 hours, the stainless steel model failed, its plastic face completely worn off. Several minutes later, the nickel-plated brass model also failed. An amazing 87 hours after the test began, after 31,320 passes, the pile driver was removed, tested, and found to be 100% fully functional. Pepperl & Fuchs pile driver, proven to last 20 times longer than traditional proximity sensors.